DaVinci Jenny Lind, widely regarded as the best vintage baby crib of 2024 by many reviewers and experts. This 3-in-1 convertible crib combines classic style with modern functionality, making it a standout piece in any nursery. The Jenny Lind crib features retro spindle post and convenient wheels, allowing for easy room adjustments or cleaning. It comes in a variety of vibrant colors including emerald green, cherry red, coral, navy, lagoon blue, and as well as classic options like white, black, and 2 shades of gray. These color choices, along with its high-quality wooden rotors, give it a unique and majestic appearance. The DaVinci Jenny Lind is environmentally friendly. This crib supports 3 modes with the addition of a conversion kit, sold separately, crib mode for infants, a toddler bed, and finally a day bed. Parents appreciate its sturdy build and charming design, which features wooden spindles and rounded edges on a slim profile, making it less bulky than many other cribs. This helps create a more spacious feel in the nursery. Safety is assured with the DaVinci Jenny Lind, as it has been rigorously tested for over 10,000 chemicals, contributing to cleaner indoor air and a healthier environment for your baby. The swivel wheels make it easy to move the crib, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach places underneath. The wheels can also be locked to keep the crib securely in place. The DaVinci Jenny Lind offers a perfect blend of vintage charm, practical features, and safety. Its vibrant colors, sturdy construction, and ease of movement make it an excellent choice for any nursery, adding both style and functionality to your baby's space. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers.